100k for this. Okay, but of course only for the first person. Okay. Question number 1. Which of the following fractions is the smallest? Which one? Is it 2 over 5? Is it 4 over 9? Is it 1 over 3? Or is it 6 over 11? 80 of you already answered, right? So how? Which one? Okay, or how do you find the smallest? Okay, 30 more seconds. Alright, in the meantime, this is only question 1. Alright, so if you just join this live, feel free to go to www.kahoot.it, enter the game pin at the bottom of my screen, 986409, and join in this Kahoot. Alright, okay, I think we got a few more people who can answer. Don't worry, okay, don't say you are not good, right? All of us started with zero knowledge, okay, but we practice, we learn, we get better. Alright, that should be the aim. Very good. Okay, 16 of you got it correct. Okay, why is it 6 over 11? Must be the smallest. So how do we compare the fractions? Alright, so but for now, let's see how these 16 of you rank. We got a rock star at the number 1 spot. Okay, rock star, and then we got a legend that is just behind the rock star by 6 points. And then someone that is glowing, glowing there, and then a golden, and then a turtle. Okay, so the top 5 positions are very close to each other. Alright, so you all still got chance to just outrank one another and claim that number 1 spot. Alright, so if you see your points is very close to 971, that means you are almost there. Okay? Alright, now let's see the explanation. Okay, for this question, I am using comparison by making the numerators the same. Okay, and you can do by denominators, but to think of a common multiple between 5 and 9 with 3 and 11 might be slightly tough. 9, 3 and 11 maybe is easier, you can just make it all to 99. Okay, but when you need to compare with 5, that's where the challenge comes. Alright, so you still can make denominators the same, okay, but then maybe you can make the 9, the 3 and 11 the same. You compare, then you realize that the 1/3 is the smallest numerator, then you compare the 1/3 with the 2 over 5. You can do it that way. You can break it up if you want to compare using denominator. Alright, but for my case, I make it all to same numerator. Because why is easier? 2, 4, 1 and 6 is basically the common multiple of 4 and 6, which is 12. Okay, I make it all to 12. So when you have a same numerator, your biggest denominator is your smallest fraction. Alright, now today our aim is that to buy chocolate, right? Imagine you want a chocolate bar, okay, and then let's say in your home there are 10 people. Okay, there's 10 people in your home, so each family member will get 1 out of 10, correct? So if you cut the chocolate into 10 pieces, okay, now imagine you cut the chocolate into 10 pieces, roughly how the size will be, and then imagine compare to another family, maybe there are only 5 people in the family, then you cut the chocolate into 5 pieces, okay, that one portion of that family with the 5 pieces and the one portion of the family with the 10 pieces, okay, of course the 5 pieces is bigger, okay, the one portion of the 5 pieces is bigger compared to the 1 piece, or one portion of the 10 pieces. Alright, so that's why a bigger denominator, smaller portion, smaller fraction. Alright, in this case you are looking for the smallest. Alright, so the pin for today is 986409. Okay, 986409. You can still join, okay? the theme for today, you go to www.kahoot.it and enter 986409. Yeah, okay, it's an ongoing topic right now. Yeah. Okay, 986409. Alright. So at the same time, those that are here, do help us spam the likes. Okay? Why? Because the goal for today is to get 100k likes, okay, to win that Dubai chocolate. Alright? So we are already at 25%. Okay, we just 75% more. Alright? So for now, just keep on spamming the likes. Let's try to go up to 30k now. Come on, let's go. Spam. And at the same time, if any questions about this, you're not sure, please put in the chat now. Okay, come on, let's go. Okay, come on, let's spam the likes. Okay, spam the likes on the TikTok lah, not on the Kahoot. Okay, alright. Okay, come, let's go. Once I hit 28k, we go to the next question. Let's go. Okay. And at the same time, anyone not sure about question 1, feel free to put on the chat. Okay, remember, when you're comparing with numerators the same, bigger denominator, smaller fraction. Alright? And this always come useful for arrangement of fractions question. Alright, sometimes I see some past year papers, right? The arrangement of fractions questions is always, there will be times where it's easier when you make the numerators the same rather than the denominator. Alright, thank you very much to all those that are mentioning about showing respect. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Okay, so remember this step, okay, because this method I realize is always much useful, especially those questions either when we are comparing multiple fractions or when we are doing the arrangement of fractions. Okay, alright, we are almost at 30k now. Let's go. Now let's go to the next question. Solve the following. What do you think is the question gonna be? Okay, Ali has twice as much money as Bobby. Charlie has thrice as much money as Ali. Bobby has $1,255. How much money does Charlie have? Alright. Just now somebody was saying, oh, P3 can do now. This is one of those questions confirm P3 can do. Alright. So alright, come. Okay, those who just joined, alright, you can still join this Kahoot. Go to www.kahoot.it and enter the game pin 986409. Alright. Don't worry, okay. Everybody did PSLE before. Even I also did my PSLE before. Alright. So the main thing is just keep on practice consistently. Alright, now we have this live. Okay, maybe you got some other video lessons. Alright, maybe you got your assessment books, or maybe you got your PSLE book. All this, just consistently keep on practicing. Alright, and one more thing, you see at the right side or the top here, there's this MasterMaths PSLE. This one not Instagram page, this one is Telegram page. Alright, so what you do is, after this live, you go to our Telegram, join us. Okay, if you haven't joined yet, join us, and you will get past year PSLE, not past year PSLE people, I mean all the past live questions there. Okay, the solutions are there also, so you can always just go there, download, practice, then watch the solution, not the other way around. Okay, practice first, then check. Okay, always practice, then check. When you check, also you must see whether you understand. Alright, if you don't understand, go read again the solution. Okay, or maybe retry. Once you understand already, you redo. Okay? Dila starting to put double entry on the chat already. Alright, 43 people have answered and we have 20 more seconds. Okay, so this is comparison. Okay, Ali got twice as much as Bobby. So if you are doing comparison, how many units is Ali and how many units is Bobby? Then after that, Charlie got thrice as much as Ali. So whatever Ali have, right, Charlie is 3 times of that. Very good. Most of you got it correct. Okay. Alright, so before I continue on further, if you are not in the Kahoot, alright, feel free, go to www.kahoot.it and join us. And the top person for today will be getting the Dubai chocolate. Alright. Wow, there's a lot of changes. Okay, just now we have the legend dog below. Now the legend dog is number 1, followed by the glowing deer. Okay, and then there's the golden condo. Okay, and the caring sphinx. The caring sphinx and the daring egret is new joinees, right, to the top 5. Right, so you got chances, okay, to even get number 1 today. Alright, don't worry, we've got 6 more questions. Even though you go down for this question, okay, maybe the next question you can climb up again. Okay, so in the meantime, okay, before I show the solution, do press the like button. Okay, get the likes up. Okay, at the same time, okay, do share this live. Okay, do share with your friends, get them to join in. Okay, at the same time, we can still join the Kahoot and stand a chance for that Dubai chocolate. Alright, and also those that are in the Kahoot, okay, do follow us. Okay, do follow our TikTok. Okay, and also do share. Alright, and also do like. Okay, because the more you like, the better chance you'll get the Dubai chocolate. 105th place. Don't worry, okay, the next question we got correct, you can go higher, get a better position. Okay, now let's go to the solution. So Ali has twice as much money as Bobby, right? So Ali is like 2 units and Bobby is just 1 unit. Okay, but Charlie is thrice as much as Ali. Ali is 2, right? So Charlie is 3 times of 2, so it will be 6. So that's why you see 6 boxes down there. And then when they say Bobby is $1,255, that means that 1 box there is 1,255, and Charlie is 6 times of this box. So that's why we did I did that $1,255 multiplied by 6, and I got 7,530. Alright, come on. Now, any questions you're not sure, put in the chat. In the meantime, share this live. Okay, if you just joined, follow us. Okay, follow this MasterMath, okay, TikTok page, and then you will get to see more of our upcoming live. At the same time, if you want to watch more of our previous live, you can also go to YouTube and search for MasterMathsTV. Alright, you can search for MasterMathsTV, okay, and you will see all the recordings of our previous TikTok live also. Alright, so when you go to this MasterMath PSLE, you get the notes, okay, you can get the practices, you do already, okay, and then you can check the solution in the Telegram. After that, if you are still not sure, you can go to MasterMathsTV, okay, and probably look at the recording based on the date, okay, then you can watch the solution. Alright, come on, do spam the likes, okay, bring it up to 40k. At the same time also, if you just join this live, okay, go to www.kahoot.it, okay, and join our Kahoot. Alright, go to www.kahoot.it and enter the game pin 986409. Okay, is everyone ready to go for the next question? All okay? Let's go. Now, which of the following fraction is greater than 2/3? Which one? Okay. Don't press the purple. The purple is not the option. Alright. Hello, Iba. Alright, we got 38 more seconds. No, it's not green. Are you sure it's green? There will be, okay, Dila? Are you sure it's blue? Blue or green? Or red or yellow? Or white or purple? Which one? And now somebody is saying it's red. Are you sure it's red? Yellow. Maybe, maybe not. There's no black color here also. Pink, the background there, there's pink. Alright, very good. 24 of you got it correct. Very good. Okay. Let's see the rankings. Oh, the top 5 of you managed to stay there. Okay, very good. Okay. Nobody dropped. Okay, but nobody go up also. Alright. The legend dog still there, followed by the glowing deer. Both of you are very close, like only 9 points apart. And then number 2 and number 3 is only 7 points apart. Very interesting. Okay, I'm guessing every one of you wants that Dubai chocolate, right? Okay, but if you want it, okay, come on, spam the likes. Okay, get it up, come on. Okay, and we still have our number 5 spot at 2,890. Okay, so you can see roughly your points, how much more you need to catch up with the number 5 spot. Okay. Oh, you accidentally pressed the wrong one. Don't worry. Okay, there will be some more. There will be some more questions. Okay, for you to try. Okay. Don't worry. Later there will be a QR code for you to fill in your details for us to send the chocolate to you. Okay. Alright, come on. Let's bring up the likes to above 40k, maybe even 50k right now. Okay, we are only at question 3. Okay, come on, bring it up. Alright, before now I go to the solution. Okay, so we got 4/7, 7/8, 4/9, and 10/21. Now all this we compare with 2/3. Okay, so same like just now, right? Just now I make numerators the same, but usually when comparing one fraction to one fraction, okay, I will just make the denominator the same instead. Okay, like for this case, 4/7 and 2/3. Okay, the denominators of 7 and 3, common multiple is 21, correct? So 7 times 3, 3 times 7. Okay, so the first fraction becomes 12/21. The second fraction becomes 14/21. So 12 is less than 14. Okay, we are looking for one that is greater than. Alright, so those who just joined, go to www.𝐿.it and enter 986409. Alright, now we look at option 2. Denominator of 8 and denominator of 3. So one at times 3, the other one at times 8. So I ended up with 21/24 and 16/24. 21 is bigger than 16. That's why the answer is 7/8. Okay, the rest 4/9 and 2/3. Actually this one, I just realized I could have just made 2/3 become 6/9. Okay, and then still the 2/3 is bigger than the 4/9. Okay, and the last one, 10/21 and 2/3, also the same. 7 just times 3. Okay, I mean 3 just times 7. Okay, oh yeah, hello Adam. Okay, just times 7 become 14/21. Okay, 14/21, 10/21, 14 is bigger. Alright, so we are looking for something that is greater than the 2/3. Okay, Alright, okay, so we are now at 41k of likes. Okay, come on, push it up. Just keep on spamming the screen now. Everyone that is in here, just spam your screen. Okay. Then we bring it up. Okay, and then it will be easier for us to go for the 100k likes. Alright, maybe even we can go even more higher than 100k. Okay. Alright, come on, everyone, just spam your screen at the same time. Share. Okay. Share the live. Okay, and also if you're new, follow us. Okay, follow us. Alright, so that you can watch the live next week again. Okay, tomorrow there's science live. Okay, and then I think it's Saturday also there's a secondary school math also. Alright, we not just primary 5, primary 6. Again, we'll be doing secondary school math also. Okay, and then there will be some PSLE science also tomorrow. Alright. Okay. So yeah, Eva also, yeah, you know, so on Tuesday, right, you can see Coach Aira also doing PSLE math here. Alright, so like us, okay, follow us so you can get more life. Alright. Okay. Okay, thank you, Adam. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, hello my dear. Alright, so those who don't know me, okay, yeah, I am Coach Mo, okay. I've been teaching from P3 all the way to P6s, okay, with MasterMath, okay. We are at 5 different locations, okay. We are at Woodlands, Perak, Tampines, Jurong East, and a virtual class option also. Alright, where basically you just join from home. Alright, so we got 5 different options. Depending on where you stay, feel free to go for a trial class with us. Okay, you can go to our website at www.mastermath.sg and join our trial class also. Okay. Alright, now let's go to the next question. The next question is a double points question. So who knows, this will help you go up the rankings. Okay. 6 over 7 divided by 1 over 3 plus 4 over 3 divided by 2. This is your orders of operations. Okay. So remember, which one do you do first? Do you do the plus first, or do you do the divide first, or do you do the multiplication first? Okay. Which one? Those saying the option is black, when do you press the black? Okay, so remember today, okay, we'll be having a special gift, okay? The chocolate kunafe from Dubai, okay, the one with the pistachio inside, okay? So get the live up, okay? The likes, get it up, share with your friends also, get more people to join in, okay? Okay, everyone is starting to spam colors on the chat. Okay, imagine if someone who first time doing Kahoot and then you are giving these options, they'll be like pressing everywhere else. Then they'll be putting on the chat, Coach, why I cannot submit my answer? Okay, 40 more seconds. At the same time, if you are done, if you are confident your answer is correct, okay, or you are just happy, okay, just spam the screen. Okay, like this Kahoot and like the live also. Okay. Okay, 30 of you have answered. Very good. A lot of you put the correct answer. Okay. Now let's see the next one. Okay, still the 5 of you remain. Okay, putting a strong competition here. Alright, and the points are also very close. Okay, so before I continue, spam the likes and share. Okay. Yeah, still third. Okay. Okay, so remember, we do the left to right. Okay, we got two divides there, right? We have a left divide, the 6/7 divided by 1/3, followed by a 4/3 divided by 2. Okay, so we do the first one, the 6/7 divided by 1/3. Alright. If not 100k, still can get Singapore chocolate. No lah, we will give the popular voucher. Okay. Alright, but come on, chocolate is a rare opportunity. So just spam the likes. Okay, those who are in this live, just keep on spam. Okay. At the same time, also share with your friends. Get them to join. Then more people to spam the likes. More people to spam the likes. Then you can get more likes. More likes means confirm can get chocolate. Okay, so get back to this. Okay, come. So we do from left to right. We do the 6/7 divided by 1/3. So how do we do that? We do 6/7 times 3/1. Okay. Those who just learn your fractions divide, right? Remember, you do keep, change, flip. You keep the 6/7. You change the multiply to you change the divide to a multiply, and then followed by 1/3 become 3/1. And then after that we retain the plus 4/3 divided by 2. So when you multiply, you will get 18/7, because 6 times 3, 7 times 1, plus 4/3 divided by 2. Here you don't do the plus first, right? There's still a divide there. You do the divide first. So it's 4/3 times half. You cancel the 4 and the 2, become 2/3 times 1/1. So that's why it become 18/7 plus 2/3. Okay, so now your addition, you make the denominators the same. Alright, so 18 times 3, 7 times 3, followed by 2 times 7, 3 times 7. Okay, and 54/21 plus 14/21, and you get 68/21 equals to 3 and 5/21. Alright, so in this case, what you can do is, you can think of multiplying the 21. Okay, you can first multiply by 2, you will get 42. Then you add again for the third multiple, and you get 63. So 63 is very close to 68, right? That means you don't need to add in some more. Okay, so all you have to do now, just subtract. Okay, so you take 68 minus 63, you will get 5. That's how I ended up with 3, 5, 21. Okay? Anyone lost? Anyone not sure how I got 3 and 5/21 and not anything else? Anyone? All alright? Okay. So come on, let's get it up to 50k now. Okay, we are very close to 50k. At the same time, okay, if you are already in that group, come on, let's go all the way to the end. Okay, you go all the way to the end, stay in the neighborhood, alright? And then at the same time, you can also still share this live with your friends. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Another double point question. Which of the following are equivalent to 5/8? A simple equivalent fraction question. Which of the following is equivalent to 5/8? Which one? Okay. Don't worry, Bila. Okay, there will be one more coming up. Okay, in the meantime, okay, if you have already answered, okay, share this live. Okay, if you have friends, you know, who are looking for practice, also call them up. Come on, join this live. Okay, just open the TikTok app and then look for MasterMaths today. Okay, and then you can see that red circle. Click it, join this live. Okay, tell them that. Tell them that. Okay, 6 more seconds. This is one of the easy questions, I would say. Yes, very good. A lot of you got it correct. Okay, yes, because 5/8, you times 3, you get 15/24. Still the 5 of you maintain. Okay, I wonder what was the point of the 6th place person. Is it very close to 6,692? Who else is very close to 6,692? Okay, so if you're confident that you can climb up, okay, spam the likes also. Okay, come on. So like what I said just now, right, the solution. Equivalent fraction is the one where basically you multiply with the same number to the numerator and denominator. Or if you can divide, you divide. So in this case, 5 over 8, 8 you can divide by 2 to make it 4, but 5 cannot, right? 8 over 5 is just the opposite of 5 over 8, so confirm is not. And then 7 over 9 also, there's no multiple of 5 to make it 7, or there's no multiple of 8 to make it into 9. And then 5 over 8 is like already the simplest form. So the only way is when you multiply, you get 15 over 24. Okay. Alright, so if you're looking for additional practice, okay, go to our Telegram channel at the top of my screen here, Telegram MasterMaths PSLE. Alright, go there. Okay, you can find all our past worksheets with the solutions. Okay, and then after that, if you want more explanation, you can go to our YouTube channel, MasterMathsTV. Okay, look for it. Okay, and then you can see some of the explanations of the basically the recorded of the live session also. Okay, and then there's some additional interesting math content there also that you can take a look. Okay, and then also if you want to find out more about us, you can go to www.mastermath.com.sg. okay, and look at our programs or our free trial that you can also join. Okay, and then you can get to know more about our classes. Alright, I'm seeing that like still stay the same. Okay, come on, we are not even 50% there. We are very close to 50%. Come on, push it. Okay, let's go. Just spam the screen. Express 60 cm as a fraction of 1 kilometer in simplest form. Okay, 12 of you already answered. Okay, so which one? Expressing 60 cm as a fraction of 1 kilometer. So you see here, the units are different, right? So what do you do when the units are different? Should you just proceed? Okay, or should you do something else first? So how? Okay, come on, think. What did my math teacher say about expressing something as a fraction of something? What did my math teacher say? So how now? Should you just put 60 over 1 or 1 over 60? But coach, there's no 1 over 60 there. Then how? What should you do to the cm and the kilometer? How? What do I do? Okay, come on. If you already answered this question, spam the screen for likes. Okay? There's no 95 over 100 here. Oh, you are comparing math marks, is it? Oh, okay. I thought you were saying the answer is 95 over 100. Okay, 8 more seconds. Okay, those who are in this live, okay, spam the likes. Alright, very good. It's a close call between 3 over 50 and 3 over 5,000. Okay, I'm guessing because you put 60 over 1,000, right? So simplest form, you will end up with 3 over 50. Alright, so now let's see why is it blue and not red. Okay, suddenly because of this fraction question, there's a change to the ranking. Now glowing deer is in line to win the chocolate. So glowing deer, if you're still here, if you want that chocolate, spam the likes. Okay, followed by the golden condor, which is very close, only 20 points of difference. Okay, so also spam the likes if you want that chocolate. Followed by the legend dog, managed to have that third place. Okay, and we got a Rocky, okay, fighter. Okay, let's see why is it 3 over 5,000. Okay, so firstly we do a conversion. before we put into the fraction, okay, we must put cm over cm or kilometer over kilometer. We cannot put cm over kilometer. So we convert the 1 kilometer to cm. Because if you convert the 60 cm to kilometer, you will get like a very long decimal. Okay, so it will be difficult. Okay, unless they are asking for express as a decimal. Then you have to do that lah. If not, you convert the kilometer to cm. Again, so 1 kilometer is 1000 cm, right? Because you multiply by 1000. You add 3 zeros at the back. Alright, followed by converting the meter to cm, which is multiplied by 100. So you add another 2 zeros at the back. So 3 zeros, 2 zeros, 5 zeros. That is 100,000. Okay, so 60 over 100,000. What? How can we put it to simplest form? We can cancel 1 0 and 1 0 first. So I take out 1 0 from the top and bottom. The 6 and the 10 at the back, you can divide by 2. So it's 3 over 5,000. That's why the answer is blue and not the answer is number 2 and not number 1. Alright, let's bring the likes up to 50k. Okay, come on, before we go to the next question, share the live, okay, and spam your screen, make the likes go up to 50k. Alright, come on, let's go, let's do this. Okay, come on, we can do this. Okay, at the same time also do share the live. Okay, so more people join the live, more people to like. Okay, at the same time also you can you have the last few questions where you can compete with your friends. Okay, so if you are not in this Kahoot, go to www.kahoot.it, enter the game pin at the bottom of my screen, which is 986409. At the same time, we are on Telegram. Okay, so what's the benefit of joining the Telegram? You can get all past worksheets that are related to the live. Okay, you can use that as additional practices for you, especially if you are taking PSLE next year, this year, or maybe even next year. Okay, it will still be a good practices for you. Okay, practice early. Okay, you'll be well prepared. Alright, okay, at the same time also there's the solutions there which you can check. Once you check, you do your marking and all that, then make sure you understand the solution. If you feel that you already understand, then what you do is you retry. Okay, that's how you get better in math. Okay, so come on, share the live, at the same time likes. Okay, the next question is a problem sum question. Okay, but don't worry, once you understand it, it's not anymore a problem. Okay, so the question is, baker A have 2 and 3 over 4 kg of flour. Baker B have 1 and 1 over 3 kg more than baker A. Baker C contains twice as much as baker B. How much flour does baker C have in 2 decimal place and in kg? So if you got your answer, convert to 2 decimal place. Okay, right, so this question you got 4 minutes, don't worry. Okay, then after that you put your answer in 2 decimal place. Okay, and also put the kg at the back. Okay, Anson, are you sure you converted the 2 decimal place correctly? And are you sure that's the correct answer? Maybe it's lesser, maybe it's more. Alright, come on, share the live, okay, and also do like, okay, do give us the likes today, okay. Remember, the condition for the chocolate is 100k likes, okay. You all can do it, okay, if everyone just keep on liking. Let's go. Okay, come on, let's go. Okay, That's why don't follow the answer. Maybe try yourself first. Then see same or not. Alright, so baker A got 2 3/4 kg of flour. Baker B have 1 and 1/3 more. So when it's more, what do you do? Okay. And then baker C contain twice as much as baker B. When it's twice as much, what else do you have to do? Then lastly, how do you convert your answer into decimal place? Okay. And don't convert the kg to gram, okay, because the answer is meant to be in kg. Alright, we got 1.5 more minutes. Okay, if you have selected the answer, okay, Zamir, I cannot confirm. If I'm not wrong, I think I may allow. Okay, I might. Okay, later we'll see. Okay, so you got 70 more seconds. Okay, if you're ready, write your answers. What you do is, what do? Okay, you share and you like the live. Okay, yes, exam need units. Okay. And what is KH? KG. Okay. I cannot have the cannot see the future where I realize that you will put KH there. I put an option for KH. KH cannot lah. Okay, unless exam your H look like a G, then I think they will allow lah. Okay. But of course, during your exam, always remember to check your answers. Okay, like if you got a bit of a time, okay, a bit of additional time after you're done with your questions, just look through again. Make sure all your steps, your workings, right, especially your working. If you're done with your working, the answer there, make sure you are correctly transferring your answer over. And then when you're writing the step also, make sure it's not like times become plus, that kind. Alright, so make sure you all check again. Actually I allow for no kg lah, just for this Kahoot. Okay, so anyone who put kg or space with a kg or just without the kg, just for this I allow. Okay. Okay, but if you accidentally put 8.16, then ya lah, cannot. Okay. Okay. Alright, okay, so okay, now the fifth place is at 8,829 points. Alright, so if you see your points is very close, alright, then that means you have a chance to go into the top 5. Alright, but now we have one more question to go. Okay, one more question to go. Okay, before we know who's the number 1 for today. Alright, but before that, let's see the solution. Okay, so for baker B, right, it's 2 and 3/4 plus 1 and 3/4. Why? Because more means you add, right? So I change the 3/4 to 9/12 and the 1/3 to 4/12. So 2 plus 1, 3, 9 plus 4, 13. But you see, because the next part is twice. What does twice means? What do you do when they say twice? Come on, go on and check. What do you do when they say twice? Roughly what should you be doing? Okay, the twice is times 2. Okay, you're asking, you wrote in fraction, why wrong? Because the question told you to put into 2 decimal place. Convert it to 2 decimal place. Alright, that's why. So when you want to times 2, twice times 2, okay, you convert, if it's a mixed number, right, you convert the mixed number to improper fraction. Then you multiply by 2. Okay, so 49/12 times 2. The 12 and the 2 can cancel off each other, so become 49/6. And 49/6 convert to a mixed number is 8 and 1/6. So all I have to do is change that 1/6 to a decimal. So I do a 1 divided by 6. Alright, so the 119, so I put 0, then the point and point 0. So it's 10 minus 6 become 4. I put a 1 on top, so it becomes 0.1 already. Then 4, bring down another 0. 6 times 6 is 36, so I put 8.16. Is 0.16. Then I minus again 36 at the bottom, and then I get the 4, then I put another 0. Bring down the 0. So now you got another 40 minus 36 again, put the 6 again on top. Okay, then minus, I got a remainder of 4. Okay, but I don't carry on now. Why? Because I need 2 decimal place. All I have to do is get 3 decimal place to convert to 2 decimal place. So 8.166, 6 is a round up number, so it becomes 8.17. Okay, so the answer is 8.17 kg. Alright, okay, now let's go to the next question, the last question for today. Alright, so in the meantime also get those likes up, okay, and we still stand a chance. Okay, Johnny and Gary have an equal amount of money at first. So this is about equal amount of money at first. Alright, and then Johnny spent 2/5 of his money, while Gary spent 7/10 of his money. So the denominators here are their money, right? And then they have equal amount of money at first. So which one should be the same? Then Gary spent $450 more than Johnny. So now we are interested in the units or the fraction of money that is spent. Then that amount of money that is spent, the difference is $450. And how much money does Johnny have left? Okay, so it's asking for amount of money that Johnny have left. Okay, so how do we find the amount of money that Johnny have left? Okay, the main tips here is that first line, okay, where they say Johnny and Gary have an equal amount of money at first. So looking at your fractions, which part is referring to the money at first? Okay, by the end they are asking for how much money does Johnny have left, not Johnny's total amount or not Gary's amount at first. Okay, Dila, this is not about Johnny giving Gary money. Okay, so your double entry there is wrong. Okay, alright, you can type your answer at the bottom of your screen. Okay, and remember, this is money. So money means what? Need to put what in front? Okay, alright. Okay, so those who just joined the live, okay, if you've never seen us before, do like and follow us. Okay, and you can join our subsequent live. Okay, and our subsequent live, there will also be Kahoot, and especially for this week, all our following live, there will be the Dubai chocolate also. Alright, so do join us for the rest of this week for our repeating live. Okay, at the same time, to know more when and where our live is, go to Instagram also. Okay, search for MasterMath on Instagram. Okay, and then you can find us. And at the same time, MasterMath is an education center, right? So we do provide tuition service and all this. Okay, so to know more about the programs that we do, okay, our classes, where we are, okay, you can also go to www.mastermath.com.sg to find out more. Okay, alright, 40 more seconds, then we'll know who's the number 1 for today. Okay, come on, let's go. Alright, here technically you don't need to draw model. Okay, you just need to understand the fraction. Okay, so when they say that Johnny and Gary have an equal amount of money at first. Which part of the fraction are they referring to? Okay, are they referring to the numerator or the denominator? And then Johnny spent 2/5 and Gary spent 7/10. Very good. Okay, 18 of you got it correct. Alright, so the thing is, when they have an equal amount of money at first, alright, and the fraction for Johnny is 2/5, the fraction of spend for Gary is 7/10. The denominators are their money, right? So the denominator, we make them the same. 5 times 2 become 10. So now, basically, Johnny spent 4 units and Gary spent 7 units. So one is 7, the other one is 4. So you subtract them because you are given the difference in the amount they spent, which is $450. So 3 units is $450. Alright, now we put that aside. What is the question asking you for? The question is asking for how much money does Johnny have left. If he spent 4 units, he got 10 units, I take out 4, I'm left with 6. So 6 units is 450 times 2. Because why? 3 units is 450, right? So 6 is just 3 times 2. So the same thing I do with the money. 450 times 2, and I got $900. Alright, so to prepare, okay, in case if you're confident that you are the winner for today, you can take a screenshot of this QR code, okay? So later you'll be scanning this QR code to claim your prize, okay? At the same time, when you're claiming your prize, remember to also later when the results comes out, right? If you're the number 1, then on your phone or on your device, you will see your points and your placement of number 1. Take a screenshot of that also, okay? Because you will need to submit that, okay, to claim your prize for today. Alright, don't worry, later when the result comes out also we can know what place you got, okay? You know on your device. Alright, so remember, for P5 Maths we will always be on Wednesdays, okay? It's just that to know, confirm the timing and all that of that day, especially for fasting month next week. Alright, do follow us on Instagram, okay, and you'll find out more, okay? And also, like I said just now, we are an education center. We are also offering free trials, okay? So if you want to try our class, okay, if you want to try our class, go to www.mastermath.com.sg, okay, and you can sign up for our free trial, okay? Like I said just now, we have 5 different locations: Jurong East, Tampines, Woodlands, and Farrer Park. And there's a virtual option also, in case you don't live anywhere near these 5 the other 4 locations. You can always join us online. Alright, okay, now let's see. And at the same time, we are not just math, okay? We also do science for primary, and also there's a PSLE English classes also that you can try, okay? And this upcoming in March holiday, we will be having a PSLE Math and Science crash course. Alright, so it's basically for you to prepare yourself for your PSLE Math, PSLE Science, okay? And this is a very useful course. A lot of our students got better marks after going through this course also. Alright, so now let's see the rankings. Number 3 is Rocky. Number 2 is the Golden Contour. And number 1, the Glowing Deer. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, so the Glowing Deer, okay, remember to scan the QR code that you have saved just now, or I will be showing it here also. Again, you can also scan this QR code, okay? Scan this QR code and submit, okay? Especially for the number 1 student just now only, okay? Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you everyone, you've been very awesome during the class. Alright, see you again next week. Okay, thank you everyone, and keep on practicing. Okay, whatever goals you have, just keep on working towards that. Alright, thank you everyone. I'm Coach Mo, and see you all again. Bye bye. Okay, bye Arisa. Okay, bye everyone.